Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick Walmart grocery haul. This is a small haul. This is only for the next couple days, but we'll probably have leftovers, so these two meals will probably do us 3 days actually. So we bought a grill and we've been grilling out a bunch. So I picked up some red potatoes to make some potato packets for the grill. Red potatoes. I got some country style ribs, boneless. I also got some chicken breast for the grill. I got some sweet Hawaiian rolls for one of the meals. I got some corn on the cob. A new spice we're going to try out is the Parmesan Ranch. Sweet and smoky rub. And I also got this garlic and Parmesan marinade in a bag, which looked pretty intriguing. And got a couple bottles of ketchup. We got some Kellogg's Fruit Loops with marshmallows, loaf of bread, and picked up some extra butter popcorn. And to try out, we grabbed the Fruity Pebbles International Delight Coffee Creamer. So this should be really interesting in the coffee. And also got one of these Kit Kat Duos, the mint and dark chocolate. These are really good. So I picked up another one of those. And the other day I actually found this, but it was still out on the counter, so I thought I would share this with you. But this seems fun. The Duncan Hines Epic Fruity Pebbles Cake Kit. And you get the cake mix, frosting, and cereal all in this kit. And that is my Walmart grocery haul for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more grocery videos and the kitchen videos, all that fun stuff. Check the cards out, check the description box out for additional links, and I thank you guys so very much for watching.